Hi, I'm Debbie Peterson of Getting to Clarity, and I'm very excited to be a featured speaker for the Financial Planning Association of Southwest Florida Fall Symposium. This one-day educational event will be held on Friday, November 10th in beautiful Southwest Florida, located at the Hyatt Regency Coconut Point in Bonita Springs. You won't want to miss the great lineup of speakers and subject matter experts that are covering recent developments and trends in the financial services field. And I am so excited to be presenting my program, The Successful Mindset of Retirement, Smart Strategies to Help Your Clients Transition. Because have you noticed that some of your clients seem to thrive in retirement while others seem to struggle a bit? After my presentation, you're going to understand how you can be more of a resource to your retired clients or soon-to-be retired clients. We're going to talk about strategies that your clients can employ to create more satisfaction and influence over the desired retirement experience. You're specifically going to learn about mindset strategies, how you can help your clients to achieve clarity and focus on the retirement outcomes that they want, how they can create a focused plan or goal so that they enjoy the desired experience of retirement, and then strategies that will help them implement the plan, how to overcome obstacles, and then how to get much needed support from the people that are around them. And I would love to see you there, but that can't happen if you don't register. So take advantage of the early bird pricing in effect until September 1st. So until we meet again, here's wishing you the clarity that you deserve. See you on November 10th.